Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Caitlin from Leave Me Alone Plants, and today we are going to be doing a little plant unboxing. Now, I have been out of town for about a week and a half, and of course, as fate would have it, days before I was leaving for my vacation, I just saw the perfect plant. I had to have it, and of course I ordered it, and it was sitting in my house while it's gone. So I figured we would just make a quick little video to see how these plants handled sitting in my mailbox for a couple days. And then the second item that we have here is actually my eucalyptus farm orders for the month of July, I believe. I can never remember what month it is. But if you watched that video and didn't like it, which apparently most people didn't, yikes, then I guess this will be the reprise. So we'll do a little mini unboxing again of the eucalyptus farms, and then we'll get into this plant mail that I am super excited about, and hopefully neither of these are dead because they were sitting outside for, I don't know, like 4 days. So with that said, let's get into it. Now, even though I didn't get to unbox this one on camera, I actually thought that it would be a fun thing to just kind of bring in this video, especially since we only have a couple plants to show. But it is this book that my friend actually surprised me with. She sent to me in the mail, and it is Wicked Plants: The Weed That Killed Lincoln's Mother and Other Botanical Atrocities. This book has actually been in my Amazon wish list for like a year and a half. I just never got around to buying it, so super sweet of her. She's not a plant person herself, she just knows that I'm a crazy plant lady, and she sent this over. So if you are interested in this book, I'll link it down below and you can grab it on Amazon for yourself or for one of your crazy plant lady friends. So with that said, let's get into the unboxing. I figured we'd start with this Eucalyptus Farms box, and like I said, I did do a full review video on Eucalyptus Farms and my experience with them the first time, so if you are interested in a comprehensive review, then you can go check them out. Now, very similar to last time when we got this, you just get the bundle of eucalyptus. As a quick refresher, these bundles are $12 each, I believe, and then shipping is $7.50. Again, like last time, it's crispy, it's not like a soft plant, so I am just assuming that this is how it's supposed to be. Or maybe, again, it's the fact that it is like 115 degrees here, and my eucalyptus dried out. So, hey, the world will never know. Maybe we'll do part number 3 of Eucalyptus Farms unboxing next month when I can actually get it on time. Again, like last time, this smells delicious, and again, like last time, I am looking forward to putting this in my shower. Now, one thing that I didn't mention in that video, because it was the first time that I had been introduced to having eucalyptus in my shower, was, how does it work when it's in there? And personally for me, I was a little disappointed. I was hoping it was going to be a stronger aroma and just, really, what I read online is like it opens up your pores. I didn't personally experience that, but either way, I still liked having it in there. I just felt like it improved the aesthetics of my shower. So, if you're looking for, just eucalyptus to face up or, make your area look pretty, then I do think that it's great. However, if you're kind of looking for that experience where your pores are going to open up and, you're going to smell like eucalyptus the second that you walk out of the shower, probably not the best purchase, but hey, we love supporting small businesses around here, so why not? And this next one is an order that I got from one of my favorite online Facebook groups for buying plants, which if you are not part of the plant buying community on Facebook, then you probably have a lot more money left than I do, because trust me, it is a very dangerous place, because all the wish list plants that you ever wanted, they're all on there. Now, this plant is one that I actually already have in my collection, but I've been working on growing that collection. And I always like when people package with newspapers. Here they are. Any guesses? If you have guessed what this plant is, please drop it in the comments down below. It's actually, I believe it's a collection of like 9 plants in here. So pause this video, give it a like, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below, but please let me know what you think this is. And I'm like a little nervous because these have literally been sitting in my mail for days. Oh my god, you guys, they're so perfect. Okay, so if you watched one of my previous videos on one of my care videos, it was on lithops, and at the time I only had 3 in there, and I got all of these new lithops. Let me bring them a little closer so you can see them in all their lithop glory. I hope they're focusing. I got this whole bundle of lithops for $40, which like I had said in my video, typically when you find lithops they're like $5 a piece. So I saw this, and like I said, it was just such a deal, I couldn't pass it up. They're all these different colors, and they're literally huge. I was expecting these to be like teeny tiny little guys. So super happy with this purchase. They look great. None of them look dehydrated. Like I said, you know, I knew they were going to be sitting out in my mailbox for a while, but because they were lithops, I figured they would probably handle just fine, and they did. They all literally look perfect. So if you are looking to order plants online, lithops are great. I can't remember who I purchased these from. I've like never bought from her before, but if I can find it, I will link it down below so that you can reach out to her as well. This is a pretty quick video. Like I said, I just got back from vacation, so haven't really filmed anything in a hot second. Figured we'd just pop on camera real quick and say hello to all you beautiful people. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you know, it's a fun little way to rewind and relax if you watch this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and what was the other thing we're gonna do? Oh yeah, comment down below what you thought these were, or if you have them in your collection, or if you think that you would like to own this plant in the future, because if you haven't, lithops are super cool, and like I said, I have a full carry video on them, so go watch that. It'll be somewhere up here. Thank you guys so much for watching this one. I hope to see you guys in the next video.